practical purposes. 1. Able to show the reaction of fermentation in carbohydrate metabolism. 2. Able to identify the result of fermentation reaction based on experiment. 3. Observe the target market with the aim of ensuring that the market carried out is right on target. 4. Analyze the market to get consumers and see the competition of our product that have been processed from a craft and entrepreneurship perspective.
Now I will explain about the theoretical basis of biotechnology. Biotechnology is a branch of biology that studies the use of living things like bacteria, fungi, viruses, etc., and products from living things like enzymes, alcohol, antibiotics, organic acids in the production process to produce goods and services that can be used by humans. Nowadays, the development of biotechnology is not only based on biology alone, but also on other applied and pure science, such as biochemistry, computers, molecular biology, microbiology, genetics, chemistry, mathematics, and so on. In other words, biotechnology is applied science that combines various branches of science in the process of producing goods and services.
Principle of biotechnology. Basic principle of biotechnology. The following are the basic principle of biotechnology that can be used, including fermentation, selection and crossing, tissue culture, DNA recombination, and DNA analysis. First, fermentation. Fermentation is a process for changing one material into another material using very simple methods, conventional techniques, and assisted by microorganisms. Second, selection and crossing. This process is carried out by manipulating the DNA found in microbes, plants or animals to become microbes, plants or animals with better characteristics, so that if they are crossed, they will become superior seeds that are good for future use. Third, tissue culture. The process of growing or multiplying animal and plant tissue or cells in the laboratory without interference from other organisms. Fourth, DNA recombination. The process of transferring DNA segments from one organism to the DNA of another organism. Fifth, DNA analysis. A polymerase chain reaction process that can make copies and segments of DNA.
Fermentation. Definition and factor of fermentation. Fermentation is the process of energy production in cells under anaerobic condition without oxygen, which produce organic biochemical change through the action of enzyme. Fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration in general, but there is a more precise definition that defines fermentation as respiration in an aerobic environment without the presence of external electron acceptor. Example of fermentation can be found in bread making, wine, beer, and cheese making. The factors that cause fermentation are sour, alcohol, microbes, temperature, oxygen, and salt.
Fermentation process in potato donuts. The fermentation process in donuts by yeast occurs where the yeast breaks down the sugar to form carbon dioxide gas and alcohol. This can be seen in the dough, which increases in volume. Carbon dioxide gas will be trapped in the dough, causing the dough to expand and produce soft donut.
Tools and material for making donuts. Tools, scales, container, tools for steaming, wok, stove, spatula, knife, cover cloths, or plasticware. Materials: 150 grams of high protein wheat flour, 100 grams all-purpose flour or medium protein flour, 40 grams of granulated sugar, 100 grams mashed steamed potato, 1 TBSP milk powder, 1 egg, 40 grams room temperature butter, quarter TSP fine salt, powder sugar. Ingredient: 1 TSP instant yeast, 1 TSP granulated sugar, 75 ml warm water.
After you flatten it, you must divide the dough into 8 or 9 pieces. Then shape the dough into round balls. Then you must cover the container with clean cloth. Then let it rise double from the original size. After that, you must press them slightly and then make a hole in the center of each donut. Then you can start fry the donuts, arrange them in the order they were shaped initially. If the bottom part is already brown, then you can flip it. After you fry them, you must leave and drain excess oil. Then you can add toppings according to your preference. And this is the result. Alright, the next one, we talk about nutrient content. Based on the ingredient, our donut contain nutrients that are good for our body. Our potato donuts contain number one, we have carbohydrate that is source of the energy for our body. And then we have potassium function to form a muscle and maintain body growth. And then we have vitamin C, which help a people be protected from disease attack because of the body strong defense system. And then we have vitamin B1 that help body cells convert carbohydrate into energy. And then we have vitamin B2, which maintain healthy eyes, nervous system, skin, digestive tract, and brain. And then the last one, we have zinc that helps in the production of red blood cells. We go to carbohydrate and the product. The carbohydrate contained in potato donut mostly come from the main ingredient, that is the potatoes. As we know that potatoes are one of the best source of carbohydrate. In the process of the making potato donuts, there are three chemical reactions that occur, and these three reactions involve carbohydrate. The carbohydrate involved are disaccharide carbohydrate and monosaccharide carbohydrate. And then sucrose is a type of disaccharide carbohydrate that is involved and will later be hydrolyzed to produce two monosaccharide carbohydrate molecules, glucose and fructose.
Okay, this is the structural molecule of carbohydrates in the process of making potatoes donut. There is sucrose, glucose, and fructose. Sucrose, as we know, sucrose is the saccharides carbohydrates. So sucrose have molecular formula with 12 carbon, 11 oxygen, and 22 hydrogen. UPAC name for sucrose is beta fructofuranosyl alpha glucopyranoside. And for the glucose in the middle, glucose is monosaccharide carbohydrates, which is glucose has 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen. The UPAC name for glucose is D-glucose. And for the last, there is fructose. Fructose is same like glucose. Fructose is monosaccharide carbohydrates. Fructose, again, same like glucose, have 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen. UPAC name for fructose is D-fructose. Okay, one of the important process in making potatoes donut is the fermentation process. This fermentation process reaction will produce the dough that is more fluffy, strong, and elastic. This reaction occurs because the glucose in the dough meets yeast that named Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is better known as bread yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used as a material that can raise the volume in making donuts or other types of bread. Why? It's because it can produce the enzyme invertase, which can react glucose into ethanol and carbon dioxide gas. When the dough is elastic enough, it will trap carbon dioxide and making the dough more expand. Okay, this is fermentation chemical reaction that I already explained. This is when the glucose meets the invertase enzyme from Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and it will produce 2 molecules of ethanol and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of adenosine triphosphate, or as we know, it is energy.
Determining the selling price of potato donut food processing business product. Variable cost. The material high protein wheat flour 1 kg. The price 15,000. Medium protein white flour 1 kg or 13,000. Granulate sugar 1 kg 16,000. 1 meal sachet 4,000. 1 egg grain 3,000. 250 gram 14,000. Salt 15 gram 7,000. Refined sugar 250 gram 19,000. Instant yes 23,000. Oil liter 15,000. The total 119,000. Determining the selling price of potato donut food processing business product. Variable cost. Tools, scales 110,000. Spatula 8,000. Gas 1 kg to 23,000. Container vessel 16,000. Wok 60,000. Knife 30,000. The total 247,000.
And now I will tell you about the fixed cost. Price per unit calculation is variable cost plus fixed cost per unit. So it will be 366 plus 250 per 40, and it will be 15,400. For the total cost we have 616,000, and for the price per unit we have 18,000, and from there we have 3% profit.
Next is calculation of profit and loss and BEP break-even point of potato donut food processing. For the profit is exceeds total cost, which is 616,000 rupiah. For the first is income is selling price times units equal 18,000 rupiah times 14 equals 720,000 rupiah, 3% profit. Next is cost, VC plus FC equals 366 plus 250 equals 616,000 rupiah. Next is cost of goods sold or HPP equals 366,000 rupiah. Next is gross profit is revenue min HPP equals 720 min 366 equal 354,000 rupiah. And the last is net profit is revenue min expense equals 720 min 616 equals 104,000 rupiah. Next, loss less than total cost, which is 616 rupiah. First is revenue, selling price times units equal 18,000 rupiah times 14 equals 575,000 rupiah. Next is cost is VC plus FC equals 366 plus 250 equals 616 rupiah. And the last is loss, revenue min expense equal 575 min 616 equals minus 41,000 rupiah.
Now we will calculate the break-even point in rupiah, also in unit. In rupiah, the formula is total fixed cost per 1 minus variable unit cost per unit selling price. So we got 250,000 rupiah per 1 minus 9,150 rupiah per 18,000 rupiah. So our break-even point in rupiah is 550,238 rupiah. And the break-even point in unit, the formula is total fixed cost per unit selling price minus variable unit cost. So we got 250,000 rupiah per 18,000 rupiah minus 9,150 rupiah. So the break-even point in unit is 28 unit.
Potato donut food processing business development. Developing a potato donut processing business by adding unique flavor such as green tea, red velvet, tiramisu, and boba can attract the attention of millennials who tend to like variety and innovation in food. Economic value of potato donut food processing business. Direct use value, consumptive use value, productive use value, indirect use value, non-consumptive use value, preferred value, existence value.